Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket Flow, and today we are going to talk about security group, one of the most important topic related to security in whole cloud computing. So this is the basic security and you should know about what is security group and how to use it. At the end we will give the demo also. Before starting, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. This will be the part 13 of our AWS series, and if you're on a LinkedIn, you can follow me there as well, or you can check out my portfolio. In my recently I have changed my portfolio as well, and now we have infographic. Currently it is not there, but I will show you what is infographic is. So it will a cool image, it will look like this. Okay, all the infographics will be available on my website soon, so stay connected. So let's get back to our topic, and today's topic is security group. So what is security group? Security group is nothing but a firewall, you can say, in simple word. Basically a firewall between your EC2 instance and outside world. That's a simple definition, and if you want to explain someone, this is a explanation. Basically security group allow in or out of our EC2 instance. Basically it control what should go inside, what should come outside, basically. Okay, and this is what, and in security group it always allow rule will we need to set. That's the rule. Okay, so basically how we are going to regulate this security group, like how we will going to configure it basically. So for that we have one is port. Okay, let me mark it as port one. Second one is IP address. Okay, IP range. So whether it is IPv4 or IP or IPv6. Okay, and the third one is inbound. Okay, and the third one is outbound. So I will let you know what is inbound and outbound. So basically inbound is whatever uh, we are getting the request, okay, from the web, like internet, that is called inbound. Okay, and whatever the request is coming from our EC2 instance, so that is called outbound. Okay, so now you know what is inbound and what is outbound, and this is our user, you can say www. Okay, world wide web. So this is what inbound and outbound. Okay, and this is a simple thing about security group. You got it. Now we'll see one more important thing, and post that we will see a demo how security group actually work and what is the use of this. Okay, should we cover it then or no? We'll cover it here only. Okay, so we'll see the ports. Okay, what are the ports? uh, Port you should know. Okay, ports. Okay, so the first port is 22. So this one is used for SSH. Okay, SSH in the sense to connect your EC2 instance. Okay, so secure shell. Okay, this is the one. And the second port is 21, which is used for FTP, file transfer protocol, FTP. And the second one is 22, which is SFTP. So this one is a secure file transfer protocol. Okay, and the third one is fourth one is port 80, which is HTTP. Okay, by default HTTP port. Okay, and we have 443, which is a secure HTTPS kind of HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS port. And the next one is we have 3389. Okay, which is used for remote desktop protocol, which is, let me write it down, remote desktop protocol. Okay, and we have few more thing. Okay, and 22 as of now, which is there SSH. So these are the common port you should know, like you should aware of all these ports. Okay, basically take a screenshot, or you can tag me on a LinkedIn. Okay, and what else? Oh, 22, not 22. Okay, port 22, upload file using SSH. Okay, you can see here we have 22 port SSH, we have 22 port here also. So basically this one is if you want to upload file using SSH. So let me write it down, upload file upload file using SSH, and this one is for to connect your EC2 instance basically. Okay, log into your EC2 instance. So you can take a screenshot of this and you can tag me on a LinkedIn. Okay, so as of now everything is clear with port, IP range, unbound, outbound. These are security group act as a firewall basically. Now we'll see the demo. Okay, what we are going to see in a demo. Let me create EC2. EC2. We have EC2. Okay, and we have one more EC2. Okay, and this one is our server. Okay, here our like website is up and running, and here is our client. Okay, client in the sense like we are users. Okay, so we are making the call. Okay, and we'll get the response from our server, like from our uh, server. Okay, so this one is our private. Okay, private EC2, you can say. From private EC2 we are making call to our server, and it should give a response. But if anyone from the outside is anyone making the request, okay, anyone from the web www, it should not get the response from our server basically. So we will restrict how we are going to do this one. So basically this is the demo. Okay, and let me make it crosshair. Okay, okay, this one we will not get the response from the web, and from our private EC2 instance we can make connect, we will get the response from our server. Okay, so for that we will create two EC2 instance and we'll see. Okay, we'll go to our EC2 instance, we'll create two instance. Okay, we'll launch instance. Here will be our web server. Okay, we'll go with the Ubuntu, no, Amazon Linux. Okay, Amazon free tier, keep. Let's create, might we need web server, web server sg, web server key, create key. Now we will edit this security group. We'll give the name web server, web server sg. Okay, and in web server sg we will allow two things. One is SSH and only IP address. Okay, if we see our diagram here, only private IP should get the response. Okay, not the web. So for that we need to create one more EC2 instance. Okay, let me create our client private EC2 instance first. Okay, we'll give client server. Okay, client server, go with Ubuntu. So we are going to use different. Okay, for your uh, client, create, edit, we give client sg, and here we will allow only port 22. Okay, no, apart from that nothing, only 22 SSH, and we'll launch. Okay, so this one is our private EC2 instance, and this one is we need to create. So here we'll add one security group which will be HTTP. Okay, custom. Okay, and port 80, and here we will give this security group. If we go to security group, you can see here we got some ID, no? Security group ID. Okay, copy this one and you can search it here. Okay, we'll give the client security group. Okay, so that only client server can make a request. Apart from that, no one. So we have added, create, launch. Now our 2EC2 is up and running. Let me clone it here, duplicate. So okay, we'll go instance. Here you can see two instances are up and running. Two instance up and running, and what we'll do, so this one is our web server. Okay, So here we will launch our website, and from here we will try to make a request. Okay, easy to connect. We'll connect it, and before connect we will do few things. Here is actually, okay, this is our Amazon Linux. Okay, you can see here Amazon Linux. So we'll update sudo mm, sudo -i will be, will go inside the root user. Okay, then we'll sudo yum update -y. Always whenever you spin up your EC2 instance, try to update each and every time, so that you will get the latest package and all the things. Okay, might it will take some time based on your network connectivity. Okay, it's up to date. Now we will install sudo yum install httpd -y. Third command is sudo systemctl start start httpd. Okay, now we will enable it, systemctl enable. Okay, basically if you want to know the shortcuts used in CLI, I have one video. Okay, you can check it out to use the smartly Linux or smartly CLIs. Okay, now we will do one thing. We'll run one more command. Let me zoom it. It will be echo. Okay, hello from server. Okay, hello from server pipeline sudo t this where www/html /index.html. Okay, so press enter. Hello from server. Okay, now basically this http file is running at this location. Whenever we'll try to make a call to this server, we'll get the server hello from server basically. Okay, now to test it out, okay, we will copy the public IP address and we'll try to make call it here. Okay, it will spin, but we will not get the request. Okay, so now this is our client server. Okay, you can see client server. Let's connect to client server. Okay, uh, okay, we will sudo -i. So sudo apt update -y will update, because sometimes it's take time based on your network. Okay, so no worries. Yeah, now it's done. So we'll make a one curl request and we'll see whether we are getting the request, we'll get the response or not. We have a curl http. Okay, and we'll grab the private IP address. There is our address. We'll paste it. Yeah, you can see here we are getting the response hello from the server. So what we have done just now, we have create a private IP EC2 and we have a create a server. Here we have our index.html. Okay, here index.html file is running. Okay, and uh, we will try to access this HTML file actually from our private EC2 engine, and we got the response as well. But we tried to get the response from our internet. We didn't get it. Okay, so we will see it one more time. Okay, we'll go to the security group. Okay, and here is our security group, web server security group. Edit the inbound rule. Okay, add one more traffic, which will be all IP address, all TCP custom anywhere IPv4. Okay, save the rule. Okay, now grab the private IP address, web server private IP address, and we'll see, do we get the success. Okay, web server security group, we will have here is our instance, click DNS. Yeah, we got the hello from the server, so now we are able to access it. No worries basically. So just now we saw. Okay, and before closing, so one is debug. Okay, So to debug, we have few things. Okay, if you got like connection timeout or something like that, so that means a security issue, not like uh, figure it out. You can say bug fix, not bug fix. You can say troubleshoot. You can say. So anytime if you get like connection timeout, okay, timeout. So that means check the security group. Okay, check the security group if you are getting timeout connection, timeout. Okay, something like that. If you are getting, check the security group. And the second thing is connection refused. So that means your EC2 is not running EC2. Basically, you will get the connection error. So that means your EC2 is not up and running. It's not configured properly, whether there is some issue while up and running. So that's how you can troubleshoot in cloud. Okay. So we saw the example. Okay. And we saw what is security group, and we got a very long path, by the way, from scratch till now. We reached our security group. We'll see a few more advanced topic in upcoming videos. So that's all for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Follow me any social media. See you in the next video. Bye bye.